In the vast cosmic ocean of our solar system, there exists a celestial giant, a ruler of its own miniature kingdom. This is Jupiter, a planet so colossal that it dwarfs all others combined, a behemoth swathed in swirling clouds of hydrogen and helium. Circling this gaseous giant is a breathtaking retinue of 95 known moons, each a world unto itself, each a testament to the awesome power of gravity. Imagine yourself transported to one of these distant moons, these celestial dancers caught in Jupiter's gravitational waltz. Today, we embark on a journey to these Jovian satellites to experience the awe-inspiring spectacle of Jupiter as seen from the surface of 4 of its most captivating moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Buckle up, space travelers, our cosmic adventure awaits. Our first stop takes us to Io, the innermost of Jupiter's 4 largest moons, a world imprisoned by a gravitational tug-of-war. Imagine a landscape more alien, more hostile than any desert, any volcano on Earth. Io is a world consumed by fire, its surface a tortured canvas of erupting volcanoes, lakes of molten lava, and vast plains of sulfurous deposits. From Io's surface, Jupiter would dominate the sky. A colossal striped orb nearly 40 times larger than our moon appears in Earth's sky. Imagine that for a moment. Our moon, a familiar sight, now magnified nearly 40 times, its bands of swirling clouds a constant, mesmerizing display of celestial artistry. But Io's dance with Jupiter is a dangerous one. The moon is caught in a gravitational tug-of-war between Jupiter and its fellow Galilean moons, Europa and Ganymede. These tidal forces generate immense heat within Io, fueling its volcanic fury. Day and night, Io's volcanoes erupt with unimaginable force, spewing molten rock and sulfurous gases high above the surface. Plumes of these eruptions can reach hundreds of kilometers in height, painting the sky with fiery streaks against the backdrop of Jupiter's swirling clouds. The very ground beneath your feet would tremble with the rhythmic pulsing of Io's volcanic heart. The air, if you can call it that, would be thick with the acrid stench of sulfur dioxide, a choking poisonous miasma. During an eclipse, Jupiter's light would vanish, plunging Io into an eerie twilight. The fiery glow of the lava flows would become all the more intense, casting flickering shadows across the desolate landscape. To stand on Io would be to stand on the brink of a perpetual inferno, a world where fire and brimstone reign supreme. Our next destination takes us farther out from Jupiter, to a world of ice and mystery, Europa. This moon is a stark contrast to the volcanic inferno of Io. Imagine a world encased in ice, its surface a vast, unbroken expanse of white stretching out to the horizon. Beneath this frozen shell lies a secret, a tantalizing possibility that has captivated scientists and dreamers alike, an ocean of liquid water, perhaps even teeming with life. From Europa's surface, Jupiter would appear slightly smaller than it does from Io, but still an imposing presence in the sky, a celestial giant presiding over its icy domain. The gas giant's bands of swirling clouds would be painted across the sky, a mesmerizing display of ochre, crimson, and gold. The icy shell is crisscrossed by a network of dark lines, fractures in the ice that hint at the immense forces at work beneath the surface. These cracks and fissures are stained with reddish-brown material, likely salts and organic compounds brought up from the ocean below. Unlike Io, Europa's surface is relatively smooth, with few impact craters to mar its icy plains. One of the most striking features of Jupiter as seen from Europa would be the Great Red Spot, a colossal storm that has raged for centuries. This anticyclonic storm is so large that it could swallow Earth whole, its swirling vortex a stark reminder of the power of Jupiter's atmosphere. Europa's sky would be a place of both beauty and mystery, a constant reminder of the vast, unexplored ocean that lies beneath your feet. Chapter 3: Ganymede, the King of Moons. Our journey now takes us to Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system, a world larger even than the planet Mercury. Ganymede is a truly unique world, a moon of contrasts with a rich geological history etched upon its surface. Imagine a world where ancient craters tell the story of a violent past, where vast plains of ice stretch towards a horizon marked by towering mountain ranges. From Ganymede's surface, Jupiter would appear smaller again, but still an unmistakable presence in the sky, a constant companion on this giant moon's journey. The gas giant's stripes would be less distinct than from Io or Europa, but the swirling patterns of its cloud tops would still be visible, a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. Ganymede's surface is a patchwork of two main types of terrain: dark, ancient regions heavily cratered from billions of years of impacts, and lighter, younger areas marked by grooves and ridges. These lighter regions are thought to have formed through tectonic activity, perhaps driven by tidal forces from Jupiter. One of the most striking features of Ganymede is its magnetic field, the only moon in the solar system known to possess one. This magnetic field creates auroras around Ganymede's poles, similar to the northern and southern lights on Earth. These auroras would appear as shimmering curtains of light, dancing across the sky in response to Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. As you stood on Ganymede, you would feel the pull of Jupiter's gravity, a constant reminder of the immense size of this celestial giant. Chapter 4: Callisto, the Ancient Witness. Our final destination takes us to Callisto, the outermost of Jupiter's 4 Galilean moons, a world frozen in time. Imagine a world battered and scarred by billions of years of impacts, its surface a testament to the violent history of the early solar system. From Callisto's surface, Jupiter would appear smaller still, a bright disk in the sky, its swirling clouds a distant spectacle. But even at this distance, Jupiter's presence would be undeniable, its gravitational pull a constant force shaping Callisto's destiny. Callisto is the most heavily cratered object in our solar system, its surface pockmarked with countless impact scars, some of them enormous. These craters are evidence of a time when the solar system was a much more chaotic place, with asteroids and comets hurtling through space in a cosmic billiards game. Unlike its siblings Io, Europa, and Ganymede, Callisto shows little evidence of geological activity. Its surface is ancient, frozen in time since the early days of the solar system. This makes Callisto a valuable window into the past, a preserved record of the conditions that existed when the planets were forming. The sky above Callisto would be a stark contrast to the fiery spectacle of Io or the dynamic atmosphere of Jupiter. It would be a dark, cold sky, illuminated primarily by the distant sun and the faint glow of Jupiter. Because of its distance from Jupiter, Callisto is less affected by the gas giant's magnetic field than its inner moons. This means that Callisto's auroras would be fainter and less frequent than those on Ganymede. As you stood on Callisto's surface, you would be surrounded by the silent testimony of billions of years of history. Chapter 5. What else would you see? Our journey through Jupiter's system has taken us to 4 unique worlds, each offering a breathtaking view of the gas giant. But these are just a few of the wonders that await the intrepid explorer of this miniature solar system. What else would you see as you stood upon these distant moons, gazing up at the celestial ballet unfolding above? From all of these moons you would witness a celestial dance unlike anything we experience on Earth. Jupiter's other moons would be visible as points of light, some as bright as our own stars, moving across the sky. These moons would change position from night to night, their movements a reflection of their orbital dance around Jupiter. Imagine watching as Io, the volcanic moon, races across the sky, its fiery plumes visible even from a distance. Or witness the slow, stately progress of Ganymede, its shadowed stripes a testament to its immense size. Eclipses would be a regular occurrence in this system. Imagine the sky darkening as one of Jupiter's moons passes between you and the sun, casting its shadow upon the surface. Or witness the eerie glow of a lunar eclipse, as Jupiter's shadow engulfs one of its moons, turning it a deep shade of red. On Io and Europa, the 2 moons closest to Jupiter, the planet's radiation belts would create a breathtaking spectacle. These belts, made up of charged particles trapped by Jupiter's magnetic field, would cause the atmosphere to glow with an ethereal light, a constant reminder of the invisible forces at work in this system. Outro: A Universe of Wonders. As we conclude our journey through Jupiter's miniature kingdom, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder. From the volcanic fury of Io to the icy plains of Europa, from the ancient cratered surface of Callisto to the grooved and ridged terrain of Ganymede, each moon offers a unique perspective on this gas giant. The interplay of light and shadow, the frequent eclipses, the celestial ballet of the other moons, all of these elements combine to create a view that is both breathtaking and humbling. What we have explored today is just a glimpse of the wonders that await us in our own cosmic backyard. The universe is vast, and there is still so much left to explore.